This is a tutorial on how to use Storj DCS within your PHP website. Storj DCS stands for Decentralized Cloud Storage, meaning you can store your data on a global, decentralized, redundant network. What you will need for this tutorial is aimed at beginners at both PHP and storage. What you will need for this tutorial is a text editor, a browser, and you will also need a terminal. You need to have installed PHP and Composer, and I'll also be using Uplink CLI. The Uplink CLI can be obtained from our website. So first, I will create my index.php for my website. Then I will start my web server. I'm using the built-in PHP web server, but you can also use Apache. I'm opening this and it's working. Now, it's very common in PHP to use Composer to manage your dependencies. So that's what I will be doing. I'm starting a new project, just accepting the defaults, making it a project. I don't want to define my dependencies yet. So now the Composer.json file has been generated. Now I will install Uplink PHP. Uplink is the library that's used to interact with Storj DCS. Executing this command. So it says install the library. What should be noted is that I've already enabled the FFI extension by creating this file. This is also in the README file. What I'll be doing now is getting credentials for storage. Initially, you can get these credentials from the website at storj.io when you sign up. Now I will share my existing credentials. So I've created a new access grant, which is valid for 1 hour and only for this bucket. Now I'm going to write PHP code. First, I'm going to autoload the classes. Then I will initialize uplink. This is some boilerplate code to be able to use it. I will be listing some files in my project. My bucket was named tutorial. I'm just refreshing my site to see if it's still working. If anything is going wrong, you can check the output from your web server and it will say the error here. So like so. It will say I have a syntax error. Now I'm uploading some files to the bucket that I've just shared. And I'm doing this by piping. First have to make the bucket. So now I've created 3 objects in Storj DCS with some content. I'll be listing these objects. Just outputting their name. And that's that. So I've shown you how to get started with Storj DCS, how to integrate it into your PHP application. For more advanced examples, you can check the repository under examples. There are examples how to upload and download files, as well as listing them like I just did. Thank you.